Welcome back to another Mesh pre-weekly technicals. Make sure to like and subscribe. Drop us a comment, it really helps us out. So if we jump into British pound, Japanese yen, we have a look on the monthly chart. We're seeing a nice bullish structure. We had this big move to the upside, but as we can see, we still got 26 days left on closure for this month, so it's not telling us much at the minute. But if we look at the previous month's candle, we've got a lot of volume in this candle to the upside, and we did have this wick to the downside, suggesting that, as we see the month before that previously, a lot of bullish momentum breaking this previous structure point. So as you can see there, that previous structure point, it's been, price has broken through, it's come back, and it's given us this wick here, suggesting that on the monthly chart, as you can see, price has broken that area, it's come back, it's retested that area, it's grabbed a lot of liquidity, and then we've seen this big move to the upside. So we're clearly still bullish on GJ on the monthly. So if we go down into the weekly, once again, really nice bullish structure. So just higher low, this higher low as well. If we look back to the left, we can see around that 169 area. We've got this area where price is established. A lot of resistance has been established at this area. Now we've broken through it, and we've come back and we've established, as you can see on the weekly, we've established support at that area, which was previously resistance. So now price is giving us this impulse to the upside, pulled back, established support at that area of value and that area of structure that we've previously seen before breaking off to the upside and breaking through not only this this weekly structure point here around 171 200 area. So we had this structure point that's now been broken, but it's also, if we look back here, we had this 171 250 area. So we've got a bit of a double top here on the weekly that is now been broken through, and price is now trading above this area. So clearly bullish on the weekly chart on GJ. So now if we go into the daily, once again, nice higher highs, higher lows, little area of consolidation. Once we broke out of this area of consolidation, say it didn't quite come back for a retest yet there. We had this indecision candle, and then as you can see, price perfectly came back and perfectly retested and left us this big wick, and then prices continued up. So as you can see, we've got a nice liquidity grab retesting that area of consolidation on the daily. So yeah, clearly bullish also on the daily chart on GJ. We say retested that zone, and we've broken out to this daily structure point. So 173 750 is an important area of value which I've been paying attention to. So if you look, obviously resistance established, big wick to the upside, but price couldn't close on the daily below, couldn't close above it, so it's pulled back and giving us this indecision candle. Next candle, massive indecision candle, big wick to the upside, big wick to the downside, almost nobody, and then prices started to pull back, and then that's where we've seen this perfect retest of this area of consolidation, and then it's left us that big wick, and then the buying pressures come back in. So once we've had this liquidity grab, we've then broken through this structure point around 173.600. Once we've broken out of this structure point, that's when we've had the big impulse to the upside. So now if we go down into, let's see, the 4 hour, once again, it's resistance. Now we're seeing this support established, and we're also getting a little bit of a trend line. This is on the 4 hours. We got this bit of a trend line on the way up. So I'm expecting, I'm expecting from GJ, I'm expecting price to, upon market open, I'm going to be waiting for price to come back and establish support at 173.750. I'd like to see price establish support here on a smaller time frame before taking off. If price can't establish support on this 173.750, excuse me, if price can't establish support at this area, I'll be waiting to see if we can establish support around 173.250. as shown here by these wicks down here, we have had a lot of buying pressure coming into the market around that area, but failing price establishes support there, then my next area I'll be looking at is either this quarter point here or basically back down to retest this area of consolidation again. As I say, we did have this retest of it, but we could see if price can't establish support at these areas mentioned, then I'll be waiting to see a pullback into this range. But once again, if price establishes support at 173.750, I'll be taking longs. If not, 173.250 for taking longs or around this area. But once again, guys, it helps us massively and it helps you massively if you just get involved with the free Telegram group, and the technical analysis will be updated as and when. Obviously, all the price action we're looking at right now it's like I say, it's not moving market, it's not open at the minute. So once we do start to see price start to for example, if price starts to pull back into this area, we will be doing technical analysis on those new candles that we've seen and putting that out in the free Telegram group for all the guys trading in there. But yeah, that's me analysis for DJ this week. Just make sure you build your confidence, guys. Take the highest probability trades and quality over quantity. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.